Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to see about Chapter 5 Advanced Word Processing. Introduction. The text that has been typed often contains error. This need to be rectified before finalization of the documents. The checking the text that is typed is an important part of editing a document. Any mistake in the document can be rectified easily by using the spelling and grammar option in MS Word. Spelling and grammar. MS Word 2007 underlines the words with the red line for spelling mistakes and all the grammatical errors in blue and for extra space. Capitalization in green. The errors can be rectified by using the Review tabs, Spelling and Grammar button. Success the related spellings for correction. The above can be illustrated with the help of an example. Step 1. Type the following exactly as given including the error. My name is Varsha. I am a teacher. Step 2. Select my name is Varsha. I am a teacher. Step 3. Choose the Review tab. Step 4. Select Spelling and Grammar button. Spelling and Grammar dialog box open. Step 5. Me is a grammatical error and hence it is highlighted. Word successed. The possible correct word in the succession box. Step 6. Click on the correct word. Example, my. Step 7. Click on change. Now the word me is changed to my. Auto correct. Autocorrect is an option that is frequently used to correct mistyping. It has an inbuilt dictionary of misspelled or mistyped words and make correction automatically as the text is keyed in. The customize autocorrect. Click the Microsoft Office button. Click the Word option button. Click the Proofing tab. Click autocorrect options button. Mail merge. Mail merge is a useful tool that allows to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes and more. We can use the information stored in a list, database or spreadsheet. When there is a birthday party, invitation are included to friends and relatives. It is to be noted that the content of the invitation like date, time, venue are essentially the same although the addresses differ. When this is done manually, each letter has to be dropped separately. This problem can be solved by using Mail Merge. Step 1. Click on the Mailings tab of the ribbon. Step 2. Select the Start Mail Merge button. Click on Step by Step Mail Merge wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears to the right of the screen and it will guide through 6 main steps to complete a mail merge. Step 4. Select the type of document to create. Step 5. Now click on Next Starting Document button which is found the button. Now select the use the current document. Click Next to select recipients. Now click Type a new list. Click on Create to create a date, source, new address list dialog box appear. Click on Create to create a date, data source, new address list dialog box appear. Click Customize column. The Customize address list dialog box appear. Remove the unnecessary fields by clicking on them and then selecting delete and clicking on yes to confirm the deletion of the field. Click R to add any address field. The add field dialog box appears. Key in the required fields and click on the OK button. Click OK again to close Customize address list dialog box Add the date in the new address list dialog box. Click on new entry to enter the next record. Click OK after finishing all the records. Now the save address dialog box appears. Give a file name to save the data list and click save. Click OK. Click next to write your letter. Now write a letter in the current Word document. How to insert recipient data from the list. Place the cursor where you want the recipient detail to appear. Select more items. The insert merge field dialog box appear. Now select the field that you want to insert in document and click insert and close. Click next. Preview your letter. Check if the date records appear correctly in the letter. Click next. Complete the merge. Click print to print the letter. Click all the OK in the merge to print the dialog box. Saving a document as PDF portable document format. This option helps us to save a document as PDF file. On the MS Office button, click Save As option. Under the submenu, choose PDF or XPS. The Publish as PDF or XPS dialog box appear as zone. In the file name box, type a name for the document and click on Publish button. Observe that the document is saved in PDF file format.